The chairman of the party. The speaker. The commissioner for finance.
Relax now. This is all video. I'm shifting. Please,
No, leave him. He's doing his job. Go ahead.
Give chance. Listen. Hey, madam.
Now we are taking you. You are blocking us now.
Willie,
government and people of the state most sincerely say Happy New Year to all the people of Enugu State. And let me especially say Happy New Year to our beautiful sisters, our mothers who are there, the PDP women. My dear brothers and sisters, this is 2022. I'm surprised with what my brother and my friend Uwgwuanyi did to embarrass me. I called my brother and I told him I was coming to see him privately. And that one of the governors I must see before I start, or before we start the new year, which will start from tomorrow, must be the governor of Enugu State. And I told him I was not coming to government house. I want to come to his place to see him in his private house. Unknown to me that he has gone to arrange for me to see all the leaders of Enugu State. If I knew that this was what he was planning, I would have also come with all the leaders of Rivers State. Now he has beaten me, I would wait to retaliate at the appropriate time. Thank you. I have not danced in any of the states I've gone, but I have to dance here. Now let me tell you one thing in life. I'm not a sycophant, I will not be a sycophant. I'm not here to eulogize anybody who is not supposed to eulogize. But when you see good thing, he said this is good thing. When you see bad thing, he said this is a bad thing. I don't identify and associate with those who do not mean well for their people. This man you are seeing here, very quiet, very humble, but he knows what to do at any given point in time. Bruce. Uwgwuanyi is not a noisemaker. He does not shout like me. Very humble. He takes everything gently. He's a God-fearing man. But however, be careful. Don't underrate him. If you underrate him, then you know you're in for trouble. Now, one of the reasons why I came here today is to thank him for being a big brother and a good brother. Brotherhood is not that you must be the same mother and the same father. You can be from different states, but you can meet and say, look, what this man does is what I like. You can relate and say, look, we must be brothers and we must be friends. After all, you can be the same mother and father, the other of your brother may plot for you to die. It's not correct. This man is a good man. A good man in all ramifications. I have come today to thank him. When he supported me when I was in trouble, he was one of those who stood out to say, look, you will not be embarrassed. And he supported me. So, my dear people of Enugu, I said, join me in thanking Uwgwuanyi. Secondly, to plead with him to be strong, because I know after now they will come after him. He must be courageous. The only way he can be courageous, if all of you rally around behind him, I continue to rally around behind him. He should not be afraid. Let him stand firm the way he has stood firm, and let him continue to stand firm for the People's Democratic Party. This is one of the shining lights we have in our party. I'm sorry, the clergymen, all of you are here, traditional rulers. You may not be political, you may not be partisan politicians, but having come, let me tell you, this your son is one of the shining lights of our party. And please, beg him not to be afraid, because when the people are with you, when God is with you, you cannot be afraid of anybody. Now that he has invited all of you, let me also use the opportunity, because I don't know whether I have this opportunity again. But now that he has invited people to be here, let me use the opportunity to tell the people of Enugu State, you must join the rest of Nigerians. Nigeria is dying. Nigeria is what? Dying. Will you be here and see Nigeria die? Is it the kind of Nigerian that people like Nnamdi Azikiwe fought for? A Nigeria that you wake up every morning, what do we see? What do we hear? 20 people have died. 42 people have been kidnapped. 100 people have been abducted. This and that. Every day, death, 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 death. It's not a death that you committed suicide. It's not a death that you stabbed somebody. It's not a death that you were sick. You are going to a farm, they kidnap you. You are going to a market, they abduct you. Shall we continue this way? Shall we continue this way? All of us are standing, are sitting, are seeing what is happening, that this government has finished Nigeria. Everybody's afraid. If you speak, they will come after you. So what? You will die one day when God says you will die. You can be living today, you may die by accident. It can be any way. But when God says you will not die, you will not die. God will find a way to make sure you will not die. I challenge anybody. Yes, PDP may have made their mistakes. It's correct. Now compare. Compare and contrast. Not before school, what did they say? For example, compare and contrast. Today, compare and contrast. My brother, if you like, build second Niger Bridge. If you like, build 100 stories for us. What everybody wants in life is to be alive. If you cannot protect my life, because I will be alive to use the bridge, is it not? I will be alive to go to school, is it not? I will be alive to feed, is it not? I will be alive to go and take health, is it not? When they are killing me every day, what is the essence of the bridge, road? Let all of us be alive first. We know we will die one day, but it shouldn't be the one that you are killed by people for no just cause. So I felt I should see this new year before work starts tomorrow. As you are going back to work, as you are going back to your businesses, know that if you're a good man, if you're a good woman, if you're a mother, look at your children. To carry a child for 9 months, is it an easy thing? You can even die in cause of carrying that child. You can die. Look at the suffer. You have a child, you have a daughter. The next thing you have heard, she has been abducted. She has been killed. He has been abducted. He has been killed. You can't go to farm again because of insecurity. Everywhere insecurity. And you are telling me you are building second Niger bridge. Build it, finish it, but let us be alive to use it. Not so. Must we not be alive? So, my colleague, now you bring them come home. I know they say they bring them come here. Now I have seen them. I know they say I go see them. Even see my former president of Ohareze, who has spoken and spoken. Sometimes his throat is like my own throat. They all are aware. At the appropriate time, he gave me. At the appropriate time. But I came here, people are threatening that I'm visiting my friends. Don't be threatened. At the appropriate time, I don't know what will happen to you if you are threatened that I'm going to visit Uwgwuanyi privately, in his private household. Then when I come to Enugu officially, what will happen? But for me, is to threaten him. Anybody who touch him, you have touched me. Now, maybe you didn't hear what I said. If you touch Uwgwuanyi, you have touched Wike. And you know the consequences of that. Yeah, don't you understand? Don't touch my brother. Don't touch my friend. It's better you come and face me. Don't touch them. Do you understand me? I want to thank all of you for the time you have stayed here, and thank your governor for being a brother, for being a friend. God bless you. Balo,
Your Excellency.
Balo, thank you very much.
Yes, sir, Wike, please hold on, sir. Because hold on.
It's going to be a very brief speech. Your Excellency, the 7-star Governor of Rivers State, Barrister Yosam Wike, Your Excellency Kenenge. Kuku Ozo, Project Guinea, Kuku Ozo. Your Excellency, the Deputy Governor of Enugu State, the very first female Deputy Governor of Enugu State, Honorable Barrister Mrs. Cecilia Eshilo. Your Excellency, the former Governor of Enugu State, Dr. Kwesile Zemwedo. Your Excellency, the former Governor of Rivers State, Chief Sir Celestino Mayor, and my Uwgwuanyi, not in existing protocol. Bikono. Thank you. Enugu State is in the hands of God. And in all we do in Enugu State, we give God due glory, honor, and adoration. It is with great pleasure that I welcome my brother, the 7-star Governor of Rivers State, His Excellency Yosam Wike, CON, GSSRS, POS Africa, to Enugu State general and specifically to my humble country home in Ohamaba, Udenu local government, on this special occasion of his fraternal visit to the state. Your Excellency, I extend to you the warm compliments and best wishes of the government and the good people of Enugu State in this new year. Last year, I was in Rivers State on 2 occasions on your earnest invitation to commission 2 major road projects. On each occasion, I left Rivers State with strong positive impression of your commitment to project conception and clinical delivery. You have distinguished yourself as a visionary, bold and audacious leader. You have inspired trust and confidence in our democracy. You have earned great pride to our party, PDP. You have given voice to the voiceless. You have been a defender of the defenseless. You have continued to glorify God with the instrumentality of your office. We are proud of your achievements as Governor of Rivers State, elected on the platform of our great party, PDP. These fraternal visits signpost the deepening of the fellowship between the government and good people of the treasure base of the nation and the coast city-state. I am glad that the Enugu State Traditional Rulers Council, under the leadership of our chairman, His Royal Majesty Ambassador Lawrence Agubuzo, deemed it fit to confer on you the revered title of Agunechemba of Enugu State. 20 Agunechemba of Enugu State. 20 Agunechemba of Enugu State. As a testament to this camaraderie and your sterling leadership quality, as well as memento of this auspicious visit, please accept my congratulations of this well-deserved honor and kindly convey the strong sentiment of our love and friendship to the government and good people of Rivers State. I wish you travel mercies as you journey back to Rivers State. Thank you and God bless.
Thanks for checking out SYMFONI on YouTube. Please be sure to subscribe and like our videos for updates.